Hi folks, and thanks for joining me. You're looking at another black dial Zenith. This radio belongs to my dad, and I'm going to attempt to do a repair or restoration on it this fall. Hope you'll be able to join me for that. Appreciate everyone's patience as well. I've been away from YouTube and will continue to be away until probably early fall at the soonest. Anyway, this Zenith 4B 231, I think it dates back to the mid to late 1930s. It's a little farm radio. You can see it has some loose veneer, and grill cloth will have to be reworked as well. Let's take a look at the chassis real quick. And I don't see a whole lot of rust, at least at first glance here. Looks like one of the shipping peanuts. And I had already mentioned this is a farm radio, and you can see the DC connection point here that would attach itself back to a battery back in the day. The power supply itself uses this old synchronous vibrator here that attaches to this transformer. There's no rectifier, so this is a synchronous vibrator. And I don't think I've ever worked on a farm radio, or at least produced a video on one. It's a simple design, couple IFs here. I think they're at 456 kilocycles, and it's only a little 4-tube radio. Should be a straightforward restore, unless we have problems here in the power supply side. If we do, then we'll have to look at what steps to take. Appreciate you guys watching a quick introduction here on this Zenith 4B 231 is indicated here. Should make for a fun and interesting project this fall. Thanks again for watching.